This is going to be a video to put together an SOP for how to optimize a location-specific page for a website, especially websites that have multiple locations. How do we optimize an individual location page? So this is for the Calgary page of National Neon Signs. And again, an SOP will be made from this of what needs to be done. So I have a checklist that I created just on Notepad, and I'll go through things. There's a few things that are missing, but this is basically a perfectly optimized location page. So why don't we take a look at the checklist here. The location and the keyword are in the title. Main keyword is signs, Calgary signs, storefront signs, LED signs, digital signs, sign company, signage company. So we have all of those keywords in the title, but the main keyword again is Signs Calgary. It has the most searches. That's right front and center. So we have that. Check. Location keyword in the content. In the top, you want the first 100 words and the bottom 100 words. Let's take a look. The Calgary. I think we got Signs Calgary. Okay. So let's see where it is. We got signs in, Calgary's top signs for signs. We have Signs Calgary there, and Signs Calgary there, and Signs Calgary there. That's fine. We don't want to have it more than 3 times in there anyways. We still have to do the keyword density in this, but I'm just showing you kind of the optimization strategy. So that, we have the keyword here in the H1. That was the next thing. Location in the H1 tag, keyword in the H1 tag, Calgary, signs. We're good. Based in Calgary, Alberta, National Neon. What I'll do is I'll add the signs there. National Neon Signs has emerged. All right, next thing. Google My Business Map embed. So if we scroll down, well, even before that, map consistent with BMB. So we scroll down at the bottom. Again, we have Signs Calgary here. We have Calgary Business. I put Calgary in it a bunch of different times. So I cloned the homepage and then added Calgary in it. If we scroll down here, here's the NAP, National Neon Signs. This is exactly how it appears on Google My Business. If you see here, I'm linking to the map. I'm linking to this map listing with the name. Adds more relevance as well. Here is the Google My Business map embed. So we're going to embed the map there on the page. We want to make sure that the location page is the same one that's tied to the Google My Business listing. So this is the Google My Business listing. If we go here, okay, so it brought us to the Google My Business listing. And if we go open website, it's going to go to the Calgary page. So it's the same page that's tied to the Google My Business listing. That's exactly what we want. And we want to embed the map on that page and only on this page. Why? Because there are multiple locations that we're trying to rank for. So we only want the Google My Business and the Calgary information only on this Calgary page. What else do we have on our list? Google My Business map embed. We saw that. Driving directions, Google My Business map, Google My Map. So right here we have a Google My Maps with driving directions. All we had to do was go to google.com/mymaps and create directions from various points of the city, from the airport. If we open it up here, again, there will be an SOP for how to create this, but we want to make sure that it has one. Again, we have from Calgary to Calgary Airport to Chestermere, another, Fish Creek National Park, from different things, to downtown Calgary. Here is the locations. They're all A to B, A to B, A to B, A to B. And of course, this is National Neon Signs. We have a description there. We have, the site. with the Calgary link, view in Google Maps. It can view in the Google Maps. We'll do that. The next thing on the list is actual driving, location-specific content. So this is there's not that much. We could definitely use a little bit more, but this is good for now. National neon signs Calgary is conveniently located above at the above address in Southeast Calgary. Where are we linking to? We're linking to a map, Southeast Calgary. So we're linking to this map. It's contextually relevant. We're showing the geographical relevance to it. Okay, and close to the Calgary Humane Society. How did I know that? I just went on the map and found that. It's a landmark. And the Canadian Pacific Railway. We are 20 minutes away from downtown Calgary, 24 minutes from Calgary International Airport, and 30 minutes from Nose Hill Park. And what do I do here? What am I linking to? I'm actually linking to driving directions. A map that is driving directions from downtown Calgary to national neon signs. I just copied the map URL and I embedded it there. So this is something that we're adding local relevance. We're linking to Google. We're linking to the Google Maps. And then at the bottom here, we have some more. Why we love Calgary businesses. We've been operating in Calgary. We've worked with a lot of Calgary businesses. They're hardworking, things like that. The only issue, so we might want to have some more unique content that is specific to Calgary on this page, especially since we're cloning this for other location pages. So that's the only thing that we probably want to add more here. The things that are missing, the YouTube video with the location in it. So we have a YouTube video to embed that has Calgary in the title, then that would be great. Geotagged images, we are in the process of geotagging all the images that are on this page. They're going to be replaced with geotagged images. And links to location-specific social profiles. We are setting up location-specific social profiles like Facebook for Calgary, Facebook for Edmonton, Facebook for Vancouver, Yelp, all that kind of stuff. So we would probably link to them here. Find us on Facebook, Yelp, Twitter, for all the local specific ones that are just specific to Calgary, not to any other location. And finally, the last thing that we have in place already, and I'm going to show you how we did this on the back end, is that we copied and pasted, we added local schema that I generated using the Web 20 Ranker tool. It's a local schema tool. It's very easy to use. Go to Web 20 Ranker, you go to GMB tools or whatever, and it creates the location schema here. I copied and pasted in the add to head section. The add to head section is because we have a plugin installed called per page add to head. It's already been installed, so we have unique code in the head. So if we look here in the source of the page, and we search for schema, here we have our local business schema with the hours, a Wikipedia page that's relevant, geo coordinates of the location, a description, same as, so it's also, this is the contact point. We have same as here, it's the same as the Yelp, the Yellow Pages, the BBB, MapQuest, Shop Calgary. Again, I'll do another video for how to create the schema code, but this is important to have on the location page. Again, only on the location page, only on the page that is tied to the Google My Business. So if we had a page that is, /Calgary / neon or digital signs, we do not put it on that page, only on the location page itself that is tied to the Google My Business. Hope this makes sense. I think that you guys can put together an SOP from this. This is just a video to overview what we're looking for when we're creating location-specific SEO pages.